The overall resource trade known as Wax is one of the famous virtual monetary standards and most utilized Layer 1 blockchain environments around the world, particularly for non-fungible tokens, dApps, and computer games. Wax permits its effective money management clients to make, purchase, sell, and exchange various things around the world. Its day for kickoff is 2017. Being the ruler of the NFT market, Wax has effectively exchanged large number of NFTs from its accomplices. The Wax environment comprises of trades, Wax cloud wallets, games, blockchain administrations, commercial centers, DEX, patent portfolio, and protected innovation permitting. The major NFT accomplices of Wax incorporate Funko, Atari, Sony Funimation, Topps, Capcom, incredibly famous performers. Wax has approached with Roman 6RL NFT, which is special from other standard NFTs. With this usefulness, clients can hold dynamic usefulness, including application, computer game reconciliations, and advertising apparatuses. The V-Trade capacity permits the Roman 6RL NFT to connection to a certifiable thing. The Roman 6RL NFT is printed on an energy-proficient and carbon-unbiased Wax blockchain. Wax was helped to establish by William Quigley and Jonathan Yantes in 2017. Both are from Opskin, one of the top internet gaming organizations. Since the consideration of Wax, it has contributed a great deal to computerized trade. Presently, Wax has roughly 8 million clients in a month. And as far as volume of exchanges, Wax blockchain is put on the top, with an excess of 15 million exchanges every day. It is the most utilized wallet universally. Contrasted with its rival, Wax has 5 million records being used. The significant play to procure games, for example, Outsider World, Our Planet, Kalabak Undertakings. Miners are related with Wax, and clients can get to a large number of the dApps and NFT commercial center with Wax. Wax was granted carbon impartial confirmation in mid-2021 in light of the fact that it utilizes Wax's assigned verification of stake component, which is almost multiple times energy productive 0.00001% of the energy of POW chains. In 2021, Wax delivered a progression of carbon offset Roman 6RL NFTs. What is Wax coin? The local digital money of the Wax network is known with the ticker image WAXP. WAXP is utilized for marking, casting a ballot, an installment of the multitude of administrations in the Wax stage. At the point when the venture coin is marked, it is kept aside and put away there until the client claims it. This expands the shortage of coins. Clients can recover the marked tokens, and it will give awards over the long run. Wax considers marking as a commitment to the blockchain. Not at all like different tokens, WAXP can be marked without an exchange charge. Wax holders have the democratic power for the administration of the environment. The Wax tokenomics model meets the adaptation abilities of DEFI. The deal costs of virtual merchandise are recorded in the Wax token. Assume anything is recorded on different monetary forms. All things considered, it must be changed over into Wax digital money through a virtual cash switching system over completely to the ongoing worth at the hour of procurement. The higher the quantity of Wax token clients holds, the higher the client's democratic power. The Wax token is utilized as an expense for exchanges and messages, yet at a less sum. The Wax token has 18 decimal spots. Subsequently, it tends to be utilized for miniature exchange settlements. The Wax stage claims 4 kinds of records. 3 are performed by outer specialists, and 1 independently. WAXP token can be changed over into WAXE. Clients can consume WAXP to gather WAXE. WAXE is an ERC20 and can likewise be utilized in Ethereum, DEFI stages. WAXG is the administration badge of the venture stage. It is additionally an Ethereum-based ERC20 token dispersed to WAXE stakers. There are predominantly 3 sorts of deciding on Wax: society casting a ballot to decide in favor of organizations, intermediary casting a ballot, labor proposition casting a ballot. dApps engineers additionally benefit from marking their Wax tokens since it assists them with holding the framework asset. WAXP is adaptable since it is traded without any problem. ICO has raised around $9,600,000 worth of Wax tokens in August 2021. There is a monstrous flood in Wax cost at specific trades. This is because of the expanded interest of NFT, and the extraordinary administrations and devices of Wax have drawn in the gaming organizations to list their top-of-the-line games in Wax WAXP. Verifiable information says Wax, after a descending pattern, encountered a pattern inversion and began moving vertical from the very outset of October 2021. Afterward, in the midst of worldwide signs, Wax likewise showed a retracement in cost levels. From last week onwards, WAXP cost shows a ruin with the development of a solid negative candle. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting a low at 39 cents, the coin enlisted sideways exchanging. Afterward, December 6, 2021 was the sixth successive day of wax cost drop with sell wax sign. From specialized investigation information, prompt opposition is put at 32 cents. On the off chance that Waxp cost can break this level, it needs to confront the obstacle of 39 cents. The following opposition is 44 cents. Significant opposition is set at 53 cents levels. Assuming the wax cost drop proceeds, the Waxp cost raises a ruckus around town of 25 cents, and financial backers can sit tight for the following help. Significant help is put at 23 cents. The value outlines specialized examination of significant specialized pointers shows that the general strength file is set at 43.92, a sell sign. MACD line is somewhat underneath the sign line. Information shows that Waxp began exchanging over its 20 MA and 50 MA from September 2021 onwards, yet costs dipped under 20 MA in October 2021. There is a gamble of breakdown in view of our cost conjecture. Specialized pointers and market opinion for the token are negative, and there is no affirmation of a quick cost ascend for the not-so-distant future. In any case, forceful brokers can stand by to return from the reference help levels and take a suitable section for the present moment. Presently, the 20 MA, 50 MA, and 200 MA are over the exchanging cost of wax. Wax coin value expectation 2023. Waxp cost expectation predicts a start at 54 cents. A slow ascent is anticipated. In any case, it's not possible for anyone to ensure something very similar. The year predicts a mix of rising and drop in the cost of wax. The most extreme Waxp cost expectation for the year's end is Guanj at 51 cents, which is a decent profit from speculation for the people who put resources into wax contrasted with the earlier year. The base cost of wax is normal at 40 cents start of the year according to our wax cost forecast. Wax crypto value forecast 2024. Wax is anticipated to start at 59 cents in 2024. The future cost expected for the year end is 62 cents. And that implies a colossal expansion in the cost of wax in view of our examination and wax cost expectation. While considering the 3 years of wax cost expectation, the worth has denoted a huge development at the ongoing cost level. A most extreme wax cost equivalent 58 cents. And the base cost for the year is 37 cents in view of our wax cost expectation. Wax token value expectation 2025. Wax cost expectations are expected to start at 65 cents. With a sluggish cost increment, it will reach 66 cents in something like a half year of the period. Wax cost expectation shows it will break a record-breaking high this year with an expanded market cap and transform into a beneficial speculation. Most extreme wax cost expectations for the year are 66 cents, and the least cost is 52 cents. Wax value estimates 2026 and then some. Waxp token will be considered as a productive speculation choice because of different variables like the immense local area, solid essentials, incorporations with different establishments, and so on. In view of our Waxp cost conjecture, the coin worth could arrive at new highs and hit the most reduced value level of $2. The base cost will be around 49 cents. As per our examination-based cost